10 Best Foods for a Healthy Liver. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of the best foods to support your liver health and get you feeling fantastic again. Following a nutritious diet, rich in foods known to support and protect the liver, can help prevent common liver diseases, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and promote optimal liver function. Stick around, because we've got some seriously tasty tips coming your way. Here are 10 of the best foods for liver health. Number 1. Chia and flax seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are incredibly rich in fiber, which is important for people with liver disease. High fiber foods can help protect against liver disease by reducing overall calorie consumption and supporting healthy body weight, as well as stimulating the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can reduce inflammation and protect against liver injury. In a 2020 study of 25 patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, it was found that an 8-week treatment of 25 grams of ground chia seed per day led to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease regression in 52% of the members. Flax seed consumption has also been shown to decrease markers of liver disease and liver fat accumulation in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and may help protect against liver cancer. Number 2. Foods rich in vitamin E. Foods rich in vitamin E, including red bell peppers, spinach, peanuts, and nuts. These types of foods, rich in vitamin E, as a great addition to fatty liver diets. One study concludes that the vitamin shows modest improvement for people who have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The recommended dose is 400 to 800 IU daily. Number 3. Olive oil. Unhealthy lifestyle causes most of the liver's problems. People who consumes olive oil has less chances of getting liver diseases than people who don't. Olive oil helps lower LDL cholesterol in the body, which is a benefit to the liver. The liver has the function of processing fats, and if the LDL cholesterol is reduced, it means that the liver will have less work. A relaxed liver is a healthy liver. Also, olive oil increases the levels of lipid oxidation and insulin sensitivity, which also benefits the liver. You should prepare all your foods using olive oil. We understand olive oil is expensive compared to other types of oil, but it is expensive for a reason, and that reason is that it is very effective when it comes to maintaining the health of your liver. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, and broccoli help increase the liver's ability to detoxify and help in cleansing. These vegetables have sulfur compounds necessary to produce glutathione in our body. Glutathione is a significant antioxidant that protects the liver from inflammation. Indole, a compound found in cruciferous vegetables, is also effective in treating fatty liver disease. Number 5. Soy products. Soy and soy products are loaded with proteins, fiber, vitamins, and other essential nutrients that may lower fat buildup in the liver. While soy being low in fat and high in protein diminishes triglycerides level in the liver by partially restoring the function of a key signaling pathway in the organ. Number 6. Green vegetables. Green veggies like broccoli and spinach can reduce the buildup of fat in the liver. Aim to take in copious amounts of broccoli, spinach, mustard, and lettuce each day. Filling your diet with lots of greens is also a great way to manage weight. Fiber from green leafy vegetables helps reach early satiety and keeps weight in check. In addition, research proves that nitrate compounds in green leafy vegetables reduce symptoms and reverse fatty liver disease, and the chlorophyll present in green vegetables is an excellent liver cleanser. Number 7. Apple and grapes. There is a saying that goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, that is true. Eating an apple every day has very many health benefits. A research was conducted to show the effectiveness of an apple, and it was found that it is very effective. This research was conducted to show how dehydrated apple would work on serum and liver lipid levels, and after 3 months, it was found that it had effectively reduced the liver and serum lipid levels. Another research in China confirmed that the polyphenols in an apple plays a vital role in regulating down the inflammatory signal pathway. This, in turn, helps the liver fight certain diseases related to the liver like hepatic steatosis. As the saying goes, you should take an apple a day if you want to keep your liver healthy and keep the doctor away. Like berries, grapes contain fiber and antioxidants. More specifically, grapes contain an antioxidant called resveratrol. This may help prevent further liver damage in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a common liver condition. In the USA, studies show that people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease who take resveratrol supplements made from grape extract may have less liver inflammation. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can worsen from a process called oxidative stress. But antioxidants like resveratrol may help combat this process. Number 8. Salmon. Fatty fish has huge benefits to the liver. Fatty fish plays a vital role in preventing fat buildup. More fats means more work for the liver, and overworking the liver leads to health complications. Your liver needs to be treated with a lot of care and helped where it is possible. Fatty fish maintains the enzyme levels in the liver, which helps it flush out toxic substances like the cancer-causing ones, among other toxic substances. Eating fatty fish also fights inflammation, and as we have already seen, it helps your liver a lot. Salmon also contains omega-3 acids, which has many benefits to your liver. It is very important to check on your omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, because if you have high levels of omega-6 than omega-3, it will increase the chances of having liver diseases. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic helps in detoxification, which is very important when it comes to keeping your liver healthy. Garlic helps in detoxification because it is rich in allicin, an antioxidant which protects your body from oxidative damage. Allicin stimulates the liver and activates enzymes which flush out toxic substances. After you chop your garlic, allow it some time before using it. You should know that heating the garlic will destroy the qualities of the allicin. So if you have to take garlic, you will have to take it raw or buy capsules that contain allicin available in pharmacies. Take 1 clove of garlic per day and 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic in food. Garlic is also of great help to anyone who wants to lose weight or a person who is obese. Number 10. Berries. According to a study, a specific type of antioxidant called polyphenols may help with the treatment of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease by increasing fatty acid oxidation or breakdown and better controlling insulin resistance, oxidative stress, and inflammation. These components are the main factors linked to the progression from simple fat accumulation to fatty liver disease. Polyphenols are found in high amounts in berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.